Hello students, good morning. I'm Ramshar, IP teacher from NBF school. Student, we will discuss about the subject later on, but first we will discuss about why we are choosing this subject and what is the career in this subject. Student, as you know that in now this crisis, most probably all the people nowadays require the knowledge of technology, computer technology. With the knowledge, everybody wants to secure their data. When we are using our data, that time we are feeling that uncomfort, that why we are giving this detail to that person, and if we are giving this detail to that person, then it is secure or not. हमें थोड़ा सा डर रहता है कि कहीं दिस पर्सन कैन यूज दिस मिस यूज ऑफ दिस डेटा. One thing. Second thing, how manage the data in Excel sheet, in structured query language. We can also manage our data in large database like Oracle. We can manage our data, but how we manage that, we will learn about that. We are discussing here about the career. Career means what course you will do in the for the future, and how much salary you will get, and what the working are there, and how can you get your salary increments over there. Student, first we are having class 11th and 12th. After 11th and 12th, we are choosing the subject computer science for BC and MC, for BSc IT and MSc IT, for BA IT and MSc IT. BA, Bachelor of Arts, you can have IT subject also. Bachelor of Science, you can have IT subject also. And in class 11th, we are having also that. The reason behind that, today everybody wants to secure their data. Today everybody wants to secure the data from the networking side, from the database side, and from the use side. Okay. Nowadays in software industry, only the one industry is there in this crisis that is increasing, and that one is software industry. In our India, like you heard the name of Wipro, TCS, these are the frontline companies. They're providing the software developers, they providing the software engineers, and they are giving the very good packages. You know that is simple software developer getting the salary there 10,000, 20,000 in starting days. But in coming 6 months, they are getting their salaries double. Because in this industry, you're working, your work is hard, and in this industry, 30%, 40% growth is there in the salary. Okay, and sometimes 50%. If you are getting the very good company, then you will get the very good salary. Students, bachelor degree BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and master degree, Master of Computer Application MC, or even in engineering, Bachelor of Technology BTech, and Master in Technology MTech. Okay, and with the commerce and arts, Bachelor of IT, and Bachelor of Arts with IT, and Bachelor of Commerce with IT. Okay, IT industry over there. Student packages, requirements, the all things we discussed. Now we are coming on the R book, that what we will study in that, and what's language we have. We have here Python. Python. Python comes in 1992, 1 and 92. And in this Python, this is totally open source. And you can see that is a mix of all the languages like Java, C, C++, etc. Open source, freely available for everybody. Everybody can use that. Everybody can then generate their own applications. Okay. So in Python we are having three things. First, first we are having about hardware and knowledge of hardware and software. Then we are having the knowledge of Python, how to generate the Python tables. Then we will study about the database, and then some part of the networking. This is in class 11th. And for class 11th, some part we are going to use in class 12. Means 40% will revise in class 12. What we have studied in class 11. Student, first we are going to understand the concept that what practical things are there, what theory things are there. In practical marks is 30 and theory marks is 70. 70 30 is there. 30 marks for practicals, 70 marks for theory. In practical, all classes will happen in the lab, and in theory we will discuss on the board and lab also, because we will install the software and then we will work on that particular software. So how we will install and how we will work, all things will be there. Student, in Python we will study about pandas, and in database we will study about MySQL, SQL, structured query language. And then in first chapter we are having introduction of hardware, and in last chapter we are having introduction of networking. Networking is how we are connecting them. And in introduction of hardware and software, monitor, CPU, keyboard, they all things we will discuss about them. And then how we are connecting them we will discuss in the networking part. In networking we will discuss about the how to secure the data. Okay, what is virus, how we will secure data from the virus, what is malwares. Okay, then what is open source, what is UTP. All things we'll discuss in the chapter, last chapter. Okay, the whole syllabus over there. Then students having the mind that here IP लेंगे तो IP will be